the island name is Manidu and 1,000 people. You might not feel like 1,000 people because most of them are fishermen. You can see the fishing boats. They go to fishing and they come back very few times. So for the selling, we made that income is from the fishing. But for the whole Maldives, it's from the tourism. So like right now we can start.